Let me ask you something uncomfortable. How much money are you wasting right now on things that don't actually improve your life? I used to think I was good with money until I tracked every dollar and realized how much was disappearing into pointless purchases. After years of financial mistakes, I identified 7 things that were silently draining my bank account. When I stopped buying them, something amazing happened. I started saving thousands every year without feeling deprived. This isn't about cutting out coffee or living like a monk. It's about recognizing the sneaky spending traps that keep you from building real wealth. The best part? None of these cuts hurt my quality of life. In fact, eliminating them made my life simpler and less stressful. Today, I'm going to walk you through all 9 items, why I bought them, why I stopped, and exactly how much I saved. Some will surprise you. Others will make you rethink what normal spending really is. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to keep more of your hard earned money. Let's dive in. My biggest financial mistake? Buying a brand new car right out of college. That $28,000 sedan lost $8,000 in value the moment I drove it off the lot. 3 years later, it was worth less than half what I paid. Meanwhile, my smartest friend bought a 3-year-old Honda with 30,000 miles for cash and still drives it 10 years later. Here's the ugly truth: new cars are terrible investments. The average new car loses 60% of its value in the first 5 years. That $500 per month payment? It could be $300,000 plus in retirement if invested instead. My solution: now I only buy used, 2 to 3 years old. Pay cash to avoid interest, keep cars for 7 plus years. Result? I've saved over $18,000 in payments and depreciation in 5 years. Let's move to point number 2, something we all buy but never use: souvenirs. Vacations should create memories, not clutter. Yet every trip, I'd waste $50 to $100 on overpriced t shirts, $25 for a shirt I'd never wear at home, cheap snow globes, $15 for plastic water and glitter, local trinkets, usually made in China anyway. The worst part? These ended up in drawers or landfills. Now I take free photos, instead collect ticket stubs in a travel journal, buy one small, functional item if I must, like a local spice. Savings: $300 plus per year. Next up, the tech trout costs you more than you think. Apple releases a new iPhone every September, and for years, I upgraded like clockwork. That $1,000 habit? Complete waste. Modern phones last 4 to 5 years if you replace the battery, $80, use a good case, ignore the hype. I kept my last phone for 4 years by deleting unused apps to speed it up using cloud storage when memory filled, resisting, must have new features. Dynamic Island. Savings: $800 every 2 years. Speaking of marketing tricks, point number 4 is the sneakiest. That is impulse sales, 70% off. Feels like winning until you realize you weren't shopping for it. It's often cheap quality. The original price is inflated. Now I ask, would I buy this at full price? Do I have something similar already? Where will this be in 6 months? Most deals fail this test. Exception: stocking up on true staples, like my favorite $5 shampoo when it's half off. Savings: 50-month easily. This next one hurt to admit. Things I don't understand: that $200 juicer? Used twice. The fancy French press? Too complicated at 6 a.m. I wasted thousands on. Kitchen gadgets, niche hobby gear, aspirational purchases. Now I implement a 30-day rule for anything over $100 requires learning fills a want versus need 90% of the time. I forget I wanted it. Now let's talk about fast fashion. A $10 shirt seems cheap until it pills. After 2 washes, the seams unravel you. By 20/year, I switched to the 5 by 5 rule. 5 high quality pieces that fit perfectly, mix and match, last 5 plus years. My favorite $50 jeans have outlasted 8 $20 pairs. Finally, we come to high maintenance items. Some things cost more to keep than buy. Dry clean only clothes, exotic pets, luxury cars with $500 oil changes my test. If annual maintenance costs and GT, 20% of purchase price. I skip it. Here's what I want you to take away. Success isn't about being perfect. It's about consistently applying these 7 habits, day after day, year after year. The compound effect is staggering. Start today. Pick one habit to focus on this week. Master it, then move to the next. Remember, you don't need to be born a genius or get lucky. You just need to develop the habits of success. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 habits are you going to work on first? Let me know in the comments, and let's make this your most successful year yet.